My name's Bart Kraus. I'm a firefighter with 25 years of experience, as well as being a co-founder of Fire Planning Associates, which is the developer of the Blazemark pre-incident planning software application, which is a secure web-based platform that allows interoperability between first responders. The software allows first responders to develop not only situational awareness, but a common operating picture, which is very important as an incident has the potential to scale up, where you have a multi-agency, multi-jurisdictional response occurring. This is especially true today when dealing with any type of incident at schools and campuses.
We share information for these responses in many ways, but the most recent method that we've used is we subscribe to the Blazemark product. It's a web-based database that we're able to access from all our police cars and from any computer with internet access. We've been able to develop an extensive database of floor plans and pre-planning information that goes far beyond just floor plans of every Central Bucks school district facility, every educational facility in the district.
So when we pull up, we know exactly how big the structure is. The best ways to gain access into the structure, it may not be through the front door, it may be through a rear door. It may be down to a basement where the boiler room is. It allows us to plot the best approach to the situation.
Well, pre-planning is training. As you're reviewing the environment of the different places you might be called to respond, you're learning. Training is learning, and the pre-planning process gives you the ability to recognize the environment in which you will be working. And again, when you're actually implementing the response, you can dedicate yourself to other things besides that which you could have known ahead of time.
And again, in a multi-agency, multi-jurisdictional response, having everybody with the common operating platform and good situational awareness is paramount for the incident to resolve quickly and successfully.
The Blazemark product is also, it helps us for an ambulance call at an elementary school. For my officers, yes, they know where the nurse's office is at we have 3 elementary schools. They know where the nurse's office is in each of the elementary schools because this is where they work. But sometimes my 2 or 3 police officers aren't available, and the ambulance crews are going by themselves. It could be a mutual aid ambulance, and they don't know where the nurse's office is at that elementary school. Those crews have the ability. The Blazemark product has been made available to police, fire, and EMS in the Central Bucks School District, and that gives the responding mutual aid companies or EMS or fire or whoever it might be the ability to access that same information, and they'll know where the school nurse's office is. You consider that a run-of-the-mill EMS call is only run-of-the-mill to the people who aren't suffering from whatever caused them to need an ambulance. If there's a child who's having trouble breathing or an asthma attack, if they have to wait an extra 5 minutes for an ambulance crew to get there with oxygen or whatever the treatment might be, that's a really big deal. So having the ability for them to find where they're going and to cut seconds or minutes off of a response time, it's going to be very important to someone, and we're very grateful to have this product.
As practitioners of the fire service and committee members of NFPA 1620, which is the standard for pre-incident planning, we are able to ensure that the software matches the standard. And again, from a boots-on-the-ground perspective, we know what it takes as firefighters and officers for the right type of information to be available based off of the particular user requirements.